Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So on today's video, we'll be going to two of my favorite home goods. So of course I had to take y'all with me. I'm still looking for pictures, rugs, just all things. I have a lot of areas that are incomplete. If you guys are new to my channel, I just recently moved into my place a month ago, so I'm trying to get everything together. So let me just show you guys around in the front really quick. So this is the space that I'm working with. I'm still waiting on my picture. I ordered it from AliExpress, which I probably should have ordered it from Etsy, but it's a really nice picture, and I've been waiting for probably like 2 months. So I think like the 17th is the deadline before I can go ahead and request a refund. So I think I'm gonna do that, but I'm gonna have a picture right here. The IKEA stand that I just purchased will be going in this corner here. In this corner right here is where I will be putting that lamp that I ordered from IKEA. Now y'all know I only ordered one lamp, so I'm gonna put the lamp here, and then if I feel like I need another one, then I'll buy. I think one should be good because like I said, it's gonna go in this corner, and then the stand is gonna go in this corner here. So I don't think that 2 lamps would be necessary, but you know, we'll see. And then I'm looking for a rug here. Y'all know over here I'm still trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with this wall. Don't mind that, I just put that here because y'all know it was in the other corner behind me. But I still have a lot of work to do in my place. So if you guys enjoy shop with me decor videos, this is the place to be. Don't forget to subscribe because we have a lot of work to do. So let's go. I can't leave Homegoods without checking the candle section. y'all, so we're leaving the first location. They didn't have anything that really caught my eye. It pretty much had the same stuff from the last time that I went in there. I kind of feel like on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday is the best time for that particular location. It just seemed like they have like all the good stuff, but you never know. You have to always kind of pop in and out. You have to go to Homegoods a lot in order to catch the good stuff. So there's, you know, they say like, oh well, we put out the best stuff on the weekend, but I found some really good stuff, like I said, like Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays. So that location was a flop, but we're gonna go ahead and hit up the second location. I might go to a third location. We'll see. We'll see. You know, like I've said before, if you guys are shopping for your place, take your time. Don't be in a rush, because you want it to be perfect, and well, as close to perfect as you can get it. So we're gonna keep looking. I'm gonna go to the second location. If you guys are in Jacksonville, it's the one that's closer to Trader Joe's on Jack's Beach. That one is like my favorite one. So I think this weekend I'll probably hit up like every Homegoods in Jacksonville. I'm gonna try that. I'm not too sure on every location. I think it's like 2 locations in Jacksonville that I've never been to, and I'm not too sure if they have one on the north side. If you guys are from Jacksonville, let me know if they have one on the north side, because I don't know, because I don't really go on the north side at all, or the west side. I'm mostly like south side type girl, so I'm always in this area. So y'all let me know if they have one on the north side, and I'll come out there this weekend. I think I want to try to hit up all of the Homegoods this weekend. And I wanted to take y'all to this really cute little antique place, but because of the pandemic, they're not open. But they have some really pretty antique pieces in there, but they're really expensive. But I like the window shop. Like, my face has been breaking out a little. I think my mask has been causing my face to break out, and it's probably because of the detergent. So I need to try to I did order some new ones, like the disposable ones, but for now I'm just gonna hand wash these, because we've been just like throwing them in the washer, and I've noticed that my skin has been breaking out a little bit, and I know it's from this. So I'm gonna try to hand wash it tonight with just like some regular soap and water, like some Dove or something like that, and maybe that'll help, because she can't be breaking out, honey. location. Now, this one better have some. While I'm out, I'm gonna check out this new Rose. I've never been to this location before, so grab me some seafood. Okay guys, so I'm back home. Unfortunately, we did not find anything on today's home good trip, but we will try again, maybe like in 2 days. I'll try on Thursday. But I did buy 3 candles, so let me show you that. And I did also stop by this store that we have here in Jacksonville called Rose. They have a new location on South Side. What is that? Bay Meadows and South Side. So I wanted to go ahead and stick my head in there, and I picked up some seafood, so I'll show you guys what I got. So you guys know that I am a big Home Goods candle girl, so I picked this one up. This one is the Sand and Fog candle, and this is in the scent Mango Tangerine. It's really nice. This one was $20. It smells so good. I'm gonna burn this one right now. And this one has 7 wicks in it, so this one smells really, really good. And then this is another Sand and Fog. This is in the scent Ocean Mist. This one was $16.99, but I really got this one because I love the wood bowl that it's in. So, but it smells really nice too. And then y'all know that teak wood is one of my favorite scents, so this is the brand Natural Home, and this one was $7.99. All right, so here's everything that I picked up from the grocery store. So let me go through this really quick. Bell peppers, onion, more bell peppers, squash, zucchini, sugar snap peas, broccoli, mint leaves, snow crab legs, warm water lobster, cold water lobster, and salmon. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on Thursday. Love y'all. Bye.